Hey, hello guys. See, I want to analyze something. I have this 70% BPSC question paper with me, and I want to show you something. These questions: 200 newtons on a wooden box and push it on a floor at constant velocity. Force and velocity. And we have to. This is numerical, and the second one is in which medium the speed of sound is maximum. And one more, Karamnasa rivers originate from, this is a river from Bihar, and it's asking that from which district it is originated from. Bihar produces how many percent of pyrites of whole India? And another one, see, which of the following past centuries comes under the project Tiger in Bihar? Loktak Lake, Kanha National Park, and then the art of crafting, again art and craft. Where is the largest river in the world? Sorry, river island in the world. And then we are having Alaknanda and Bhagirathi questions. Originating point Devprayag. So I want to say something that from where it is coming from, this type of questions. Yes, of course we know. See, क्या ये सारी बुक्स हमने पढ़ी नहीं है? सारा कुछ पढ़ा हुआ है, ये सारी बुक्स हमने स्कूल्स में पढ़े हुए हैं. Then where we are lacking? My friend, we are lacking in the art of revision. सारा कुछ पढ़ा हुआ है हमारा, but still forget because lack of revision. We need more and more revision. See, if you don't analyze our syllabus, if you don't revise it again and again, we will never succeed. Never succeed. Just remember this. So, art of revision is very important. And yes, of course, when we are talking about बिहार इलेक्शन की माहौल है और बहुत सारी वैकेंसीज आ रही है, जैसे बिहार CGL, HI, and then Bihar SSC, inter level, graduate level. Then we have different kinds of bank vacancies and Bihar attendant. And there is a 23,000 post of Bihar CGL in inter level, not graduate level, inter level. So if we talk about the syllabus of Bihar SSC, maths, reasoning. If we talk about maths, number system, whole system, we are having ratio and proportion, decimal and fraction, interrelationship between the number, basic numericals, and then we are having percentage, ratio and proportion, average, SI and interest, profit and loss. सारा कुछ हमने स्कूल में पढ़ा हुआ है. सो वेयर वी आर लैकिंग, ऑफ कोर्स रिवीजन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द रिवीजन. 2020 का स्लॉट, 5 मिनट ब्रेक, दैट्स इट. एंड विल फोकस इन ईच एंड एवरी सिलेबस, ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट of different vacancies which are notified. So let's do it.